Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laura. I'm a self-taught makeup enthusiast and I post content mainly about makeup, but sometimes I'll post other beauty-related content. Today I'm going to be doing a Korean skincare unboxing haul from the site Jolse. I think that's how you pronounce it. So if you guys want to see what I bought, then please keep on watching. Before I show you guys what I got, I just want to talk briefly about my ordering experience. Bit of context. So I don't know how things are going to look by the time I upload this, but when I ordered, I don't remember if we were in phase 1 or 2 of starting to open things during the COVID-19 pandemic, but when I ordered, I guess we must have been like starting phase 2 because malls weren't open. The only stores that were open were essential services like grocery stores. At the time, the store that I normally buy my Korean skincare from, which is Innisfree, because they're in a mall, they were closed because the whole mall was closed. So I ordered my skincare online. Jolse seemed to have really good reviews. I had heard of them before, and their shipping rate seemed decent, as well as the array of products that they carried. So I ordered for them on June 21st, and then I got a shipping notification from them from FedEx on June 28th. It said anticipation ship date Monday, June 29th, estimated delivery date Tuesday, June 30th. Now, Jolse is a Korean-based company. They pretty much, they're like an Amazon for Korean skincare in that they have, a bunch of different brands. You can sort by brand and they have an array of products, but unlike Amazon, they don't have like private sellers. I think it's just the company. And I am based in Canada, and it does not take one day to ship items from Korea to Canada and have it arrive in Canada. Okay, I'm guessing either their shipping rates are incredibly fast and things can arrive within a week from Korea to Canada, or more likely, Jolse has warehouses or distributors around the world. Like they basically have a North American distributor and then like a European one and so on and so forth. So they would just have inventory sent from their like North American warehouse to North American customers. I'm just guessing that's how it works because there's no way that it would have arrived either, especially not within a day, but even within a week from Korea is international priority. But I don't think that I would have had super express shipping. I don't know. Regardless, shipping was incredibly fast and I'm not mad about that. So let's get into the haul. The box is already open because my mom ordered a couple things with me. So she took her things out and then I took the box. Okay, so I got my box here. Got lots and lots of bubble wrap, which is great. They included a little cloth. I'm not really sure, it's kind of scratchy, so I wouldn't use this on my face. I guess I could use this to clean, dust surfaces, but I don't really know what else to do with it. I've got this Innisfree Jeju Orchid Eye Cream. There we go. There's a nice packaging. All right, so I haven't actually tried this product before. They have two different versions of this eye cream. They have the regular Jeju Orchid Eye Cream, and then they have a super intensive one. And I think the super intensive one is the one that's it's $80 and all the other products are $30 or something. I don't remember how much I paid for all this. If I remember, I'll throw out the prices on screen. I can't remember actually if the prices were in US or Canadian, but they were incredibly reasonable. They were pretty much in line with what I typically pay in the Innisfree store. So that was cool. This line is sort of like an early anti-aging. It's not an intensive anti-aging, but it's sort of for early signs of aging, I guess. So the Description says early action multitasking eye cream with Orchid Elixir 2.0, trademark. Helps strengthen, firm, smooth, nourish, and brighten the look of the delicate skin around the eyes. And it's got a ton of nourishing ingredients in here. It's got niacinamide, squalane. So it's going to be really, really hydrating and hopefully will do some anti-aging work. So I'm really excited about this. I've been using, well, I guess it doesn't really matter, but I've been using the Ordinary caffeine solution as an eye cream. And I feel like this will be great just to add like a little extra something at night. Okay, and then I ordered, okay, these ones came bundled together. How do I do this? Okay. And then I ordered I got a little damaged in the box, got a little bent in shipping, but I reordered the Jeju Orchid Sleeping Mask. I talked about this in my first Innisfree haul. I've been using this every night, like pretty much as an intensive night cream, like all over my face. I love it. I'm going to do a separate video talking about some of these products in more detail. I'll just show you what the box looks like. All right, and then I got the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. I talked about this also in my Innisfree haul video, but I tried a sample of this and my skin really loved it. Maybe about a month-ish ago, I had a horrible eczema flare and my skin was just so incredibly dehydrated and scaly and painful and swollen and just miserable. So I've gotten it back to like full health, but I feel like this will be really great to add to my skincare routine, especially on drier days. Like I'm thinking when the weather starts to get cooler, this will be absolutely amazing. I love it so much. Okay, so that was what I ordered for me, and then I ordered a couple things for my mom. And then it came with all of these samples. I have never ordered something where I've gotten this many free samples. I didn't even ask for them, like it wasn't even an option. So let's just take a look and see what we got here. So, okay, so this is the Underarms Brightening Pad, One-Step Body Brightening Pad from Celamax. I'm a little concerned about this. Anything that's brightening regarding Asian skincare, I'm a little wary because I know in Asia and in some other parts of the world, having darker skin basically implies that you're a commoner, you work in the fields, you're lower class, and I've heard of all sorts of harmful chemicals like actual bleach being used in some of these, I mean, not necessarily this one, but in some skincare products, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this. Hi, editing me here. I just wanted to make a note about this product. So I actually did some research. I've got my notes just over here, so if I'm looking down, that's what I'm looking at. And the Celamax product actually seems to be safe other than having fragrances in it. Obviously use at your own discretion if you're sensitive to fragrance, but I didn't find any products that had any major red flags. And I'll leave a link in the description of the source that I use to check the ingredients so you can do your own research. But yeah, it seems to be totally fine. All right, this is a adorable little sample from CNP Laboratory. It's the Vita B Energy Ampule Intensive Facial Brightening Solution. Looks like that. Again, I don't know about this if it says brightening, and all the descriptions are in Korean, so I'm gonna have to look that up. Editing me here again. Just like with the Celamax product, this CNP one seems to be safe other than having fragrances again. Obviously use at your own discretion once again if you're sensitive to fragrances, but didn't find any problems or red flag ingredients. And I got a link below if you're interested in looking at the source that I used and researching the ingredients yourself. Okay, this one is really interesting. It says prescription skincare for you. It's from the brand ACSEN. So it's basically a combination of the words acne and sensitive skin. So it's ACSEN. This is so cute. This is like the little bags that you get from the pharmacy with your prescription. So you open it up. The attention to detail is amazing. So there are a couple little samples in here. There's a toner and oil cut cleansing. It's an oil-free cleanser. All right, that's really cool. But I love this packaging. It's so cute. And then this is from the brand Cosrx, which I always thought it was Corsix for the longest time, but apparently not. I've heard of this brand before. This is the AC Collection Intensive Set, Your AC Hero AC Collection. So there's the Calming Liquid Intensive, the Lightweight Soothing Moisturizer, and the Ultimate Spot Cream. Oh, it's for oily skin. I do not have oily skin, so I don't know if I'm going to use these. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. All right, this is the Dr. Belmure Amino Clear Foaming Cleanser. All right, so it's just a little teeny tiny sample. We have stuff from the Face Shop. I've heard of them. They actually have, I'm pretty sure they have a couple stores here in Toronto. This is Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Awesome. This is, I guess, from the brand Purito. And this is Snail Repair Advanced Serum, 93% snail mucus filtrate, soothing, rejuvenating hyaluronic acid, panthenol, strengthening skin barrier. That sounds awesome. Oh my god. Okay, this is also from the brand Purito. This is Pure Vitamin C Serum. So it's vitamin C with hyaluronic acid, brightening, firming, and hydrating. Cool. And this is also from the brand Purito. This is Deep Sea Pure Water Cream. It says whitening. I don't know if I would use that. Editing me here once again. So this Purito Deep Sea Pure Water Cream seems to be good. The ingredients seem to be fine. I've got a link below if you want to check out the ingredients for yourself, but seems totally fine and safe to use. Okay. This is a sheet mask. Oh my god. That's insane. So this is the May Island, I guess that's the brand, and it's the Real Essence mask pack. Wait, is there more than one mask in here? I can't tell. I think it's just one, but what is actually in here? Obviously it's vitamin C. It contains vitamin, which presents bright, healthy, and normalizes the skin. Like they included a sheet mask. That's insane. And then, what is this? Oh, this is one of those charcoal nose strips. Like one of those ones that you rip off. It's got witch hazel, aloe, and green tea. And then blotting paper. How many did I get in here? So this is just from Jolse themselves. I don't know if they include this in all orders, but oh my god, there's like a ton of blotting papers here. That is wild. Oh my god. That's insane. So that is everything that I got from Jolse. I am so excited to use these products. I'm really glad that services like Jolse exist, especially in this unpredictable time where we're relying so much more on online delivery. So glad they exist. I'm so glad I'm able to get my Korean skincare products because I'm basically out of the sleeping mask. So I'm really glad that I have another one fresh and ready to go. And I'm really excited to dive into those samples. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you tried any of the products that I mentioned today, including the samples. I'd love to know your thoughts so I can kind of know what to expect going in. If you've ordered from Jolse before, let me know also what you think of just the overall shopping experience there. I obviously only bought one brand. Well, I actually bought two brands. The stuff for my mom was a different brand. So I haven't tried a lot of the brands that they carry. They have a whole range of different brands. Like they carry so many different brands. A lot of them I hadn't heard of before. So I just kind of stuck with what I know. But if you have any products that you recommend, especially for dry, eczema-prone skin, I'd love to hear your recommendations. Also, if you guys have any video ideas or any constructive criticism, I'd love to hear it below. My ears are always open. If you like the type of videos and content that I have on my channel, I'm sure you'll enjoy my other social media platforms, so I would really love it if you could follow me there. I've got links in the description. And if you're enjoying my videos and want to see more of them, then I'd love if you could hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll get updated every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.